up.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have put that at elbow height.
Lift it up.
A little higher or a
That's
little
it.
lower.
Stay up itself. Input devices, digital inputs, digital outputs. This is just the coding plug for it. This is the data network cable connected to it. So there's only the one. Just loops back on itself so we can connect the two together.
Doesn't look like it's going to be a lot easier to work.
It's a part setting. I need to stock some of this in the storeroom. Because
Sure.
that concept about it, that's the best thing, man.
Yeah. I was wondering if you could give me some clarification on how that self-moving system works for the flanges.
Basically, we spit out a very small amount of oil
Right.
every so many seconds at a certain speed. We spit it out into the flanges, and there's two nozzles, and it just spits onto the flanges, and that's it.
What triggers it?
It's distance and speed. That's it.
Distance and speed.
We've done it in other places where it's GPS. We've done it on places with the shuttle valve where centrifugal force will cause it to put the oil out as needed. It knows it's going into the curve.
Okay.
So this place here, Amtrak chose cycle count. So we so often at certain speeds put it out.
Okay. You said something earlier about a tuning fork.
There's a way that we do the tires to prevent the tires amplifying noise.
Right.
The wheels. We put metal plates in them and they're shaped and they vibrate and set up a noise. But the way that they're shaped, they're directed back towards the wheel center. That noise wave cancels out the noise wave coming from the wheels. So the noise overall is
You know when they get the controls dirty?